Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on how to approach the odd pointed star or the star signs extension. And so perhaps you recall, as I do from being a child, drawing a star, you would sort of start at a point and draw down, come across, go over, come back, and complete it, right? And you can imagine sort of filling in this star, and you could put this on a flag, or maybe drawing a starry sky, or whatever you were doing. And so you would draw a lot of these. And so to be clear about sort of the approach that I took when I was a child is I would start at some point, I would draw a line, sort of come back over here, draw another line, right? Come back. Now, the computer, it's sort of like we as humans sort of understand go over here and come back and go over, right? The computer's not really good at responding to draw a point over here. Or you could put it in that specific spot, but it would be sort of hard-coded and not very flexible. And so first thing I want everyone to notice is that all of these points can be thought of as being on a circle, right? We'll just draw that one a little bit there to sort of get it going. And you know, from a algorithmic standpoint, you can sort of imagine starting at this angle and coming. So when we drew down to this point, sort of went through an angle that much, right? And then we drew across to here, so that's a rotation of theta or some angle there. And then when I came over here, I drew over there, right? Came back down here, through that angle, right? And sort of finally completed it up here. Okay. And so a couple of the problems that you're going to have to solve when you're approaching this problem is, first of all, getting sort of the radius right that we pass in, and the original angle. Rather critically, sort of most of you, like all the stars that I drew as a child, usually most of them started at pi/2 radians, sort of rotated 90 degrees. You can imagine sort of like the normal axis that we're all used to from the math has sort of theta 0 over here. So you're going to have to account for all those things, but also sort of watch this video again and sort of count how many rotations we had to make, full revolutions around, to draw this star correctly. It'll be different for 7 points and so on, and for the 3-pointed star, which we commonly refer to as the triangle. Either way, good luck with this extension. I hope that this helps, and if you run into trouble, reach out to us. We'll be here to help.